have we got a treat for you. It's not every day you get to appreciate a piece of history and get to live in it. Let's get inside and share the magic with you.
Who am I to disagree? Travel the world and the 7 seas. Everybody's looking for something. Sweet dreams are made of these. Who am I to disagree? Travel the world and the 7 seas. Everybody's looking for something.
52 Mill Street offers everything Gage Park represents: history, character, family, and it's all packaged and bundled under one great roof. I'm Thelma Mello. Let's get you moving the Mellow way.